Final year BA, Sociology, 5th SEM, University of Mysore. Unit 2nd, Constructing Illness and Health, Socio-Cultural Determinants of Health in Gender. Recap of the previous class. In the previous class, we have learned about the family has a socio-cultural determinants of health, how family influence on health inequalities. Learning about objectives and outcome. Learning objectives. Students will understand that gender is a socio-cultural determinants of health. Learning objects. Students will be able to identify the gender issues or influenced socio-cultural factors affecting health. Contents, socio-cultural determinants of health, gender. Introduction, gender as a social determinants of health, two dimensions, gender, diseases with gender, conclusion, references, multiple choice questions. Socio-cultural determinants of health in gender. Sex and gender as determinants of health. Health is a composite of biological makeup and socio-economic circumstances. Difference in health and illness. Patterns of men and women or attribute both to sex, biology and to gender, that is socio-factorial, such as powerlessness, access to resource and constraint roles. Gender as a social determinant of health, biological differences, gender roles, norms and behaviors have an influence on how women, men, girls and boys access health service and how health system respond to their different needs. The different and often unequal abilities of women, men, girls and boys to protect and promote their health require recognition. So, appreciate health intervention can be planned. Two dimensions, gender. Gender is an important determinant of health in two dimensions. Gender inequality leads to health risk for women and girls globally. Gender norms and roles leads to a better understanding of how the social construction of identity and unbalanced power relation between men and women, health seeking behaviors and health outcomes of men and women in different age and social groups, diseases with gender, gender differences in heart disease, mental illness and osteoporosis lead to the important recommendation. Women be balanced in clinical studies to uncover gender differences Impact of the prevention, diagnosis, treatment of diseases. Conclusion. The interaction between biological and social determinants of important when considering gender differences in health. The biological differences can be amplified or suppressed by socialization and how society respond to sex specific behavior. Social norms endorsing particular kinds of behavior may be exacerbate negative tendencies such as violence or reinforce positive propensities such as nurturing. References: Muhammad Akram, Sociology of Health, Rawat Publications, New Delhi, Professor K. Bhairappa, Medical Sociology, Sapna Book House. Multiple choices questions. 1. Health is a dash of biological makeup and socio-economic circumstances. Options is A power, B economy, C composite, D majority. Correct answer is C composite. Second one, dash differences is a one of the determinant of health in gender. Options is A sociological, B biological, C financial, D medical. Correct answer is B biological. Third one, gender dash leads to health risk for women and girls globally. Option is A equity, B sexuality, C equality, D inequality. Correct answer is D. Fourth one, women be dash in clinical studies to uncover gender differences. Options is A included, B excluded, C open, D closed. Correct answer is A included. Fifth one, the biological differences can be amplified or surprised by dash. Option is A modernization, B socialization, C culturalization, D globalization. Correct answer is B socialization. Thank you.